came to me and making my hair. Start with me until I was done. Leave my business.
But I know you miss your old self too. Suffer once golden. There's only so much holding on.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. And you guys, today we have another unboxing from Dossier. A beautiful unboxing from Dossier, you guys. See, if you have not shopped Dossier, this is the best time to shop Dossier perfumes because they are currently doing their Black Friday sales with the best deal ever. I mean, with the best deal ever. You don't want to miss this promotion. You don't want to miss this sales. You don't want to miss this sales. So if I were you, I will head straight to my description now to start shopping. Discounts you'll be getting in these perfumes will be mind-blowing. And I want to use this opportunity to hook you up with this beautiful fragrance, this beautiful perfume. I tried it on already, you guys. This is mind-blowing. So this is powdery tobacco and it is inspired by Tom Ford's tobacco vanilla. You guys, let's not talk too much. You guys already know what their packaging looks like. This is amazing. If you have not shopped Dossier perfume, this is the best time. Like I said earlier, this is the best time to start shopping. So rush straight to their website now and start shopping. Woody green apple, and this is inspired by Paco Rabanne 1 million. Oh my god, this is awesome. So please do not shop alone. Shop for your friends, for your loved ones, your mom, your dad. This is Christmas by the corner. This is festive period, so shop and gift someone and the person will thank you forever. There is no how you wear these perfumes and someone will not stop you to ask you what are you wearing, because this is excellent. Do not snooze. If you snooze, you lose. Please, I'm begging you this time around, please, if you've not shopped any product from Dossier, this is the best time to shop because they are currently doing Black Friday sales and you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it for anything because the discount is mad. This discount is too much. Please head straight to my description and start shopping. 7 years ago, just to celebrate our anniversary. Can I connect my mic? Your own mic? Which mic? We are not snapping. We'll try now. Give face, you know. Give face, you know, door or window. So
they're going to snap pictures.
Miss you too. Safe journey, yeah? Greet Ade and so Mama. Greet everybody. Very soon.
Am I ready?
That's okay.
Okay.
Alright. I'll see you guys. Okay?
Okay.
See you. Bye. Get a book, Carla. See how big it is. There's another one. Okay, that one.
That one I can't.
No,
that one no lime is okay. Can I put that 2 seconds or chala?
No, can I do okay? Yeah.
But this one we can not on. At least 1 or 2 weeks.
Hi guys, so I'm in Kudos Healthy Living store in Lagos. So this is me here shopping some of my favorite hair care products. You guys know the temporary hair color. I'm sure getting this one for myself. Let me grab my basket. Here we go. Hair color, the red and the purple. Styling gel. I think Adeze needs this styling gel. I need leave-in conditioner as well as some scalp spray. If you're not shopping Kudos Healthy Living hair care products, what are you doing? What are you doing? And the good thing, guys, they're having their 7th year anniversary sales this month, sometime this month. So once you see the post, be sure to go to their Instagram page and participate in these sales and come back and thank me later. Okay? Talk to you guys later. Exfoliating scalp scrub. Any product you want to buy at all, Kudos Healthy Living is your plug. Is your okay, but in the head no side, then I did something.
I mama na mom me bia na something and they can go
okay.
Something agriculture, something. Man,
okay.
And I hear that's somewhere around.
Food stuff. Oh, you got fetana. It's a child. My food stuff. Okay. This one is your cousin. Well, how is I won't chat tomorrow, mommy? Hi guys, so I'm back to my parents' in-laws house. I came back yesterday. You guys saw when my sister was dropping me off here. So this is in the morning. I'm all dressed up now. I want to go to the market now to buy a couple of things and then to make my hair. So yeah, I'll try to carry you guys along. I just said to check in with you guys. Today is Friday, by the way, and I'll be leaving back to the UK tomorrow. My boxes everywhere is a mess. Let me show you guys. I've packed my boxes just to make my hair, go to the bank, get a couple of things, and that's all. So this is my one box, and this is the second box, and that one over there. So all set now. Come on, let's go.
I go take a hustle today. I go work now.
There's time to watch my picture. Hey, so guys, I will talk guys. You gotta put your Hey, right. I'm so happy to see Ogo. Ogo came to me and making my hair. Sat with me, kept me company, just stayed with me until I was done.
Leave my business, oh.
So good to see you. Huh?
No, we go see for
UK, of course, of course.
I will miss you.
I miss you too.
I will miss you.
So guys, this is a beautiful Saturday morning and I'll be flying back to the UK today. So this is my hair. Let me show you guys the hair I made yesterday. So this is what it's giving. It's kinky bulk. So I had to pay for extra luggage, excess luggage.